Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to knit a sweater. To knit the sweater, cast on 108 stitches or multiples of 4 stitches if you need a different size. To make your first stitch, make a loop, then twist it, put it to the left on your yarn to form a pretzel. Then, using your needle, grab the yarn and pull it through. So this is the first stitch. And then make more stitches. You should have 108 stitches or multiples of 4 stitches. Now join it into a ring to make a circle. For the first round, knit 2, purl 2, and then just repeat knit 2, purl 2 to end of the round. Work all your other ribbon rounds as your first one. Knit 2, purl 2, and again knit 2, purl 2 to end of the round. After the ribbon pattern knit 2, purl 2, work just knit rounds. Knit all stitches to end. To add the heart pattern, decrease 2 stitches to have 106 stitches. Then mark beginning and middle of your round. You should have 53 stitches for each half of your round or any other odd number of stitches. To work the heart pattern, knit 26, then purl 1, and then knit to end of the round. After you knit 26 stitches, purl 1, and then knit all stitches to end. Then work your second round as the first one. For the first 2 rounds of the heart pattern, knit 26, then purl 1, and knit all stitches to end. And for the following 2 rounds of the heart pattern, knit 25, now purl 3, and then again knit all stitches to end. Begin your heart pattern with just 1 purl stitch, then work your second round as your first one, then work 3 purl stitches and work your round 4 as your third round. For the round 5, knit 24 and then work 5 purl stitches and then knit all stitches to end, work your round 6 as your round 5, and then just work 2 more purl stitches every other round. Round 5. After knit 24, purl 5, and then knit all stitches to end. After 26 rounds of the heart pattern, you should have 25 purl stitches. Do not increase the number of purl stitches anymore. Round 27. Knit 14 and then purl 12, knit 1, purl 12 and knit all stitches to end. After the 12 purl stitches, knit 1 and then again purl 12. Work your round 28 as your round 27, knit 14, then purl 12, knit 1, and then again purl 12, knit all stitches to end. Round 29. After you knit 14, knit 1 purl stitch, then purl 10. After you purl 10, knit 3, and then again purl 10 and knit all stitches to end. Work your round 30 as your round 29. Round 31. Knit 15, then knit 1 more stitch. Now purl 8. Then knit 5. and just work as a mirror reflection. Purl 8. After purl 8, knit all stitches to end. Work your 32nd round as your 31st one, then work rows instead of rounds. Begin your first row as you would start your 33rd round, knit 16, then work one more knit stitch, purl 6, after purl 6, knit 7, and then again purl 6. Now knit to your marker or to the middle of your previous round. When you knit to your marker, turn now just slip first stitch and purl to your second marker. Slip the first stitch, do not knit it, and just purl. When you purl to your second marker, just turn and again slip the first stitch and knit all stitches to end. Now just work knit and purl rows. Divide 53 stitches between two shoulder parts and a neck part. For each shoulder part, use 18 stitches and leave 17 stitches for the neck part. For each shoulder part, work just knit and purl rows. Use 18 stitches for each shoulder part, work about 12 rows, then cast off all the stitches. Begin casting off stitches with knit 2 stitches together to decrease 1 stitch. Then move the stitch from the right needle back to the left one. And again knit 2 stitches together to decrease 1 more stitch. Just repeat. This is my front part. Knit the back part similar to the front one, but work more long rows before starting shoulder parts. Then sew shoulder parts together. After you join shoulder pieces together, pick up stitches to knit sleeves. After you pick up about 40 stitches, knit in the round, decreasing gradually stitches. Again, work knit rounds decreasing stitches until you have 24 stitches or any other number divisible by 4. Then work the ribbing, knit 2, purl 2. To knit the neck, attach the yarn and pick up multiples of 4 stitches. Now work the ribbing pattern, knit 2, purl 2 for the neck as well. After you knit about 6 rounds of the ribbing pattern, decrease 1 purl stitch in each corner. Here is my first corner. To decrease 1 stitch, purl 2 stitches together. Then continue the pattern to your next corner and again purl 2 stitches together.